Hello, Rachel here, and it's 2 days I just got back from Disneyland and I bought new plushies. So today I'm going to show you those 3 plushies. So I begin with Lotso. I really like Lotso. He smells like strawberry and he's very cute and soft, and I like his color. He's purple, and purple is my sort of favorite color. And he's so soft and he smells so good. I really like Lotso. And then I have Ratatouille. He's very cute. And I have 2 Ratatouilles. This one I bought in Disneyland, and this one I had when I was a little kid. I had a red plushie, a random red plushie before, and I lost him in Spain, and I was so sad, and my mom bought a new red plushie, and it's Ratatouille. So now I have 2 Ratatouille plushies. I'm really happy with them. And then I have Piglet, and I really like Piglet. And when I was little I had a Piglet too, but he lost his ear, so yeah, I have now a new one, and I'm really happy with those 3. And that is what I want to show you. Thanks for watching, and bye!